sesh.
What's up, y'all? ScrewTheRulez YuGiOh here, and we got my boy Furman here. Look, he's got his mask on, being safe at locals. So we got Sam over there.
Safe out here.
Fucking goon, Marcelo. Goon. We got Brandon over there. We got JoJo. Or Lewis, I'm sorry. We got Brandon over here. All right, and our friend Furman got us maximum gold. You got a full case, right? You got 5 of them. So how many boosters we got? How many boosters are we running with?
Got 20 right here, man. We gotta get some gold here.
All right, bro. What you want? What you want? What you want, though? What you want?
Eldritch and Appaloosa, actually.
Eldritch and Appaloosa, bro. All right, come on. I actually hope you pull the vanillas. Eldritch.
That's the money.
Alright, so we got
Fernie Mirage. Ooh, no feed ash.
And it's good ash.
Ooh, Moral Sword.
Anti-magic arrows.
Someone was looking for those. They might trade. They actually look kind of wrong.
They look pretty, honestly.
They did really good job in gold. Gaia, why? Furman, I hope you get a misprint, bro.
Oh my god, that'd be sick.
Let's go, bro. No!
Lost World? You want this card, dude?
I do, give me it.
Wanos?
Ooh, Thanos. Wait, hold him up. Wait.
It's alternate.
Bro, the gold, look at that though. It pops.
Of course!
Bro. That is amazing.
That one looked like he looks like he's like shit up, dude.
Yeah, like he's actually attacking you.
Yo, the other one looked like he got the gauntlet though. That's why he called Thanos.
Ren Chalice.
This one has Phantasm. The other one doesn't. I have to call that one Phantasm.
Oh! Yo, it looks so good. Like, Jesus. Yo, y'all pick them up right now, because I'm telling you, in 2 weeks, they're going up.
He ain't lying.
Now when the Okie's about.
Oh, it's a misprint? Misprint? Bro, 2K if it's misprint.
That don't make no sense.
Hey, where's the misprint?
Where's the factory error, bro?
Ooh, barrier statues.
Ah, the Cosmo. Do you think they'll make Cosmo restore? It's Destroyer, bro. He's back at 3.
Look, actually, I ain't gonna
Hell yeah, it's kind of bad. It is offset with
Whoa.
telling lines, baby. Like his secrets coming.
classic basketball though.
Oh, shit. I'm being realistic. You're trying to be
Dark Rebellion Dragon and Metal Marcher. Not bad.
That Marcher boy.
Bro, the gold just looks so good.
He's switching it out for him.
Of course he is. He's playing Dragon Link. This man busted me today at locals. Yo, just look at it pop though. Jesus Christ.
It definitely stands out, man.
Foolish.
Oh!
Yeah, baby!
Ah, you did it! You did it! Let me get it! You already have the secrets. Let me get them.
I need a third, actually.
Bro, you lying.
It's okay. You get the next one.
Get the next one. I like that, Brandon. I'm fuck with you. Oh!
Isn't this actually worth kind of a good amount of money, actually?
I think she's like the 3rd, maybe highest. I think the highest gold. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yo!
That vanilla, actually.
Bro, I'll cop you. I'll
This
cop
one looks
that.
so
Let me
nice.
cop that off of you, bro. It looks so nice. Marcelo, bro, hold it out for us. Bro. Bro, look at it. Look at
that
it.
shit.
When people want Dragoon and they flex.
Damn, boy, he's sick.
Marcelo. Bro, you could have gold out the whole Dragon Link deck.
My whole deck's be gold or not?
Hey! Bro, Zeus still a thing. Wow, the gold just pops.
XYZ freaking gold ones are.
The gold pops, bro.
Brighter than the Zoom man.
You want your bulk, bro?
Hell yeah, man.
I'll give you $5 for the bulk.
Master of War, man. That shit. Not bad, man.
Ultimate art.
20,000.
Oh my god.
20,000 reprints, but we good.
Kitchen?
The kitchen mommy girl.
Waifu tag's no longer there, baby.
Bro, she died. Who? She put in her mileage, bro. Too much mileage. Reaper.
Super Poly.
Wait. Let me see Super Poly.
The contrast. It's gonna break your board.
Dragoon in the dark? Bat. Oh! God damn! Oh my god! Wait, give me that.
Actually, the third most expensive.
Give me that. Give me that. Holy fuck, that looks beautiful.
Fucking nice.
Bro.
Konami outdid themselves on this one, bro.
Yo. That's nice, bro.
So what happened?
It's actually not bad. Bro, with the pink flowers, that actually look kind of really nice.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, they got it around the whole flower and the dog. That
Bro,
looked
Konami snapped. Again? Okay. We about to see duplicates now?
I like the super.
It's only right. It's only right. It's only right.
Tried it.
Yeah, we see duplicates now. It's only right. You haven't pulled an Imperm yet.
Want to though?
Okay.
Brave. There, alert. The other one I don't even know.
Laundry. Lightning got another reprint? Bajillion reprint? Sad. Any other card did y'all pick that one? Ooh. Alright, but what's the next sauce? What's the next sauce? Polymerization?
I like that poly, to be honest.
That looks
Well, that's gonna look dope.
Yeah, that one.
Look at this.
Oh, actually, that looks pretty
The
dope.
souls actually pop.
Dude, the gold. You have 3 packs. Yo, Lewis, bro, you gotta bless these packs, bro. You got 3 packs. you gotta bless them, bro.
Look at some love, man. Oh, the entity.
Bro, you played Dogmatica, right?
No, that's extra.
And Cosmo. Why? Isn't that already gold? Brand's like, I don't care about Cosmo, to be honest.
Boy, look at
Wait for
this.
this imperm right here.
This is like a Greek goddess.
Ghost spell.
Look at this shit. This mirror right here, bro.
Ooh, Chuckanine.
Chuckanine.
Got a reprint.
Chuck and I was in that.
Bro, she got a reprint.
Down to our last 2.
Bro, you got
boys.
2. I swear. Come on, Imperm. All day. Imperm.
Imperm right here.
Imperm. I believe in you. Oh, alternate art. Wait, eliminated.
Yeah. I got the original one. That was the alternate.
Oh,
Nice. And another cherry.
another cherry.
Yeah, that one's the alternate art, though.
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, the cherries
And that one
too.
is-
All right, bro. Last pack magic. What do you need? What do you need? What do you need,
Let
bro?
me get the sauce, man.
What do you need, bro?
I want that
Well,
freaking
cherries.
Imperm or Appaloosa, honestly.
It's gonna happen. Believe in yourself or not.
Come on, bro.
Alright.
Okay.
I'll take it on another
Okay. Come on,
different way.
Imperm. It's not purple. Purple. Oh.
Tease.
Oh.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Ah! The dragon.
Sobra.
So.
No, try this one. This one needs one.
That's the last pack magic. Furman, you gotta show that blue eyes, bro. That blue eyes is just
that
so.
one is definitely
It's
the
so
nicest
good.
one, actually. Look at this bowl. Where am I blue? Oh, here it is. I like butter.
Bro, you like Furman, bro, the blue eyes just look so good.
Right?
Furman, are you happy with your pulls, bro?
Oh, very happy.
Oh my
I
god.
cannot complain. These are pretty cool.
All right, y'all. This has been GWoo. We're at Locals. Brandon, say something. This man. Marcelo. Sam. JoJo, say something. Man, y'all ain't saying nothing. Alright, y'all. It's been ScrewTheRulez YuGiOh, and we're out. Peace.
People always talk about my come up, cause I've been going on every summer. Pussy wanna talk about numbers, but your manager buying swipe show, so bummy ain't nobody out now. They can